Fifth round of the lightweight division about to start. Habibi, Iran versus Kasahara, Japan. There were 19 competitors in this class, the largest number in the competition, and the standard of wrestling extremely high. In the first round, the 1952 gold medalist Anderberg of Sweden was pinned in only 4.5 minutes by the ultimate new champion, Habibi. Anderberg was forced to withdraw from the competition when injured in his third match. Also eliminated before the final 2 rounds was the runner-up at Helsinki, Evans of America. Bestayev of Russia appeared an early winner, registering 3 wins by falls, but he was then beaten by both Toth of Hungary and Habibi. He filled 3rd place. A win in this match and the gold medal to the brilliant Iranian Habibi, Kasahari, Japan, 2nd, and Bestayev of Russia, 3rd.